The legal conflict between SEC and Ripple is almost to an end, but wait a minute, do you think that SEC will ultimately give up with the Ripple case? We are also going to experience that the price of XRP is poised to reach record highs or even higher, so do not miss any moments in this video. Also, let me make a warning to all of you who have been watching my video. If you go to the comment section of my video, you can find some misleading information. I will never ask you to invest in anyone, and I will never contact you first, so all of you should trade carefully, and please let's investigate what exactly is going on together. The SEC and Ripple have developed a proposal for the subsequent phases of their case law, and they sent a letter to the judge requesting a timeline for the remedies briefing. Alicia Anna, this strategy outlines when they will acquire data for the cases, discovering component solutions in case you missed it. Tess and learning about the company that developed XRP. Ripple was sued by the SEC in December 2020 for allegedly offering XRP as an unregistered security in violation of SEC regulations. This court battle brought up concerns regarding whether or not XRP qualifies as a security or a virtual currency as defined by U.S. law. The SEC claimed that Ripple is a security, whereas Ripple said it is a currency. A U.S. district judge in Manhattan decided in July to give Ripple a partial victory by determining that repercussions on society. The SEC suggested a 90-day window for learning about potential remedies following the court's scheduling decision. The SEC is seeking information regarding what occurred after its formal accusation against Ripple in December of last year. The SEC anticipates that Ripple may not agree with the findings of the SEC and may ask for more information after the complaint is filed in the year 2020. The court will determine the length of this process. Ripple should have 45 days following the court's establishment of a time for Anthony Brow to submit an updated report. Last year, Brow gave testimony regarding possible resolutions to the case that SEC has 90 days from the date Ripple presents Bracco's report to interrogate the expert on the planned timetable. Furthermore, the parties agreed that Ripple should have 45 days following the court's establishment of a time for Brow to submit an updated report. Additionally, the SEC and Ripple are free to issue additional reports in relation to the expert statement. However, third parties will only be able to conduct discovery if they have consent from the court. The SEC may submit its brief proposing a remedy at any time, but it must do so no later than 30 days after the deadline for proposing a solution. After another 30 days, Ripple will submit its opposition, and the SEC will give its response 15 days after that. Attorney, please read the letter. In addition to that, Jeremy Hogan brought up an important aspect regarding the court case. Hogan asserts that the only thing that is in jeopardy is the sovereign rights of other nations, despite the fact that institutional clients were also sold XRP by Ripple. He proposed that if the SEC were to make a decision, these nations may file amicus briefs in the case to strengthen the power of the SEC even more. Based on the newly submitted joint scheduling order for the Ripple litigation stage, Australian pro-XRP attorney Bill Morgan projected how long the remedies will take. Attorney Morgan is representing a party in the lawsuit. Morgan hypothesizes that the timeline indicates that the remedy stage could last until May 2024, 1 month after the Bitcoin halving. About once every 4 years, there is an event called a Bitcoin halving that lowers the reward that Bitcoin miners are compensated for validating transactions. This event involves the quantity of fresh Bitcoins that miners generate and earn. The goal of this event is to control inflation and gradually lower the rate at which new Bitcoins are introduced. Movement note that the recommended scheduling of the appropriate punishment for Ripple's violation of securities law will be determined in this round at the $770 million that its prior institutional sales of XRP amounted to. The SEC wants to charge fines of $770 million, but Ripple may reduce this sum. Reputable legal professionals like attorney John Dion predict that with the blockchain, the business is probably going to ask for exclusions for allowable business costs and XRP sales associated with organizations that existed outside of the US, notwithstanding Ripple's prior institutional sales. Ripple reached a big global milestone by obtaining a license from Singapore to operate as a major payment institution for Ripple. This achievement is crucial on a global scale. This is crucial since it opens opportunities for them to build their Bitcoin-related payments company across Southeast and East Asia. The outcome of the court case will have a significant effect on XRP. Ripple's progress, despite the fact that many firms are hesitant to partner with persons who are being sued severely, makes it quite clear that Ripple will prevail in this case and the SEC will be on the losing side. Only time will tell how Ripple's victory will affect the price, but it is certain that one may reasonably predict a price gain with the entrance of the bull market, possibly even exceeding its previous all-time high of $4 per coin. Many experts in the field of cryptocurrencies are hopeful that Ripple will have a significant impact on the global market and achieve substantial growth. This bull market has the ability to significantly improve people's lives while also bringing enormous wealth. Speculators are speculating about how many XRP tokens will be required to achieve the status of millionaires due to the fact that XRP has increased by above 98% by 2023, despite the fact that it fell sharply from its July top of nearly $1. XRP's current worth of 67 represents a more than 50% gain from the beginning of this year, despite the fact that the recent upswing has benefited. The amount of XRP tokens required for an investment of $1 million has decreased, but the cost to obtain specific quantities of XRP has increased as a result of the rising price of XRP. For example, if someone paid $300,000 for approximately 1 million XRP coins in January when the price was 30, and they hung on until the price increased to nearly $1 in July, they would have only needed to spend $300,000 to become millionaires. The price of XRP has increased from 30 cents to 50 cents. This trend demonstrates the value of holding on to investments despite variations in price. Although there have been other possibilities comparable to this throughout the year, the example offered demonstrates the greatest possible profit margin. Despite the recent increase, the price of one XRP Ripple coin is still less than many of its previous high values and is currently trading for less than $1. When SRP is trading for less than $1, analysts like EGR feel there is a significant opportunity for investors. Cryptocurrency trader at the moment, XRP is trading for 67 cents. An investor would require 1 million tokens to make $1 million investment if XRP were to reach $1. It's interesting to note that these 1 million tokens are today worth about $672,000 at the present exchange rate, providing the potential for large profits. Johnny also forecast a future increase to $1 in August. Since December 2021, XRP has not recovered to the $1 level, despite prior attempts to do so having not succeeded. Why is this relevant to us? The victory over the SEC, the continued development of the XRP token, substantial alliances, and a sizable community all anticipate that the price of HRP might surprise investors. Everyone present by people is expecting to witness greater growth in Ripple currency as they utilize it globally, and these factors may help XRP surpass its previous all-time high. This is especially true in light of the imminent market boom. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think XRP Ripple will rise? We have reached the end of this video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. I appreciate you watching, clicking the like button, and leaving a comment if you found the information to be beneficial. If so, please share your thoughts in the comment section along with any questions or concerns you may have, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.